guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Maneo_V. I'm a mom, a wife, and I'm a makoti by day and a bad bitch by night, darling. Anyway guys, the reason why I'm in such a good mood, actually I'm not in a I'm in a good mood, guys. Number one, winter is finally over. That's what's making me be in a good mood. Sorry. And I'm wearing a happy color. I feel like I hardly wear yellow. I actually don't have anything that's yellow, but I feel like it's such a happy color. But anyway guys, today I'm bringing you guys a fun, very colorful, not very colorful, but out of my like color range makeup look. It's just fun, you know, for spring or for summer, and it is inspired by Lizzo. I think it's Lizzo. I'll just put her picture, but I saw this makeup look and I saw a few YouTubers recreating this yellow look that she had on, and I think it was really cute. I'm not going to do the same exact thing. It's going to be inspired. I'm not recreating. I'm being inspired by her. Up close, you guys can probably see my pores. We're up close and personal, and before we do anything, I'm going to, guys, if you don't use sunscreen, whether it's hot, whether it's snowing, whether it's winter, whether it's what, you don't love yourself. You literally don't love yourself. I've already done my brows. I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow. That's what I used today. So I've already done my lashes, my brows, sorry. And I'm just going to put some sunscreen because, guys, it's super important. I feel like the day I discovered how important sunscreen is the day my skin was always popping. I'm gonna color correct because the last time I didn't, and my husband kept asking me, but what's this? And I was so irritated because I feel like he couldn't see it. So I usually become dark around this area, so I'm going to overly color correct. And I have then I'm gonna sit with my Revlon Candid Collection Anti-Pollution Setting Powder in the shade 1. So I'm going to be using my Dupe Factory palette. It's the only palette I have that has yellow. So yeah, I'm going to be prepping my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution concealer and define in the shade 1. The reason why I chose 1, because obviously yellow is a very light and bright color, and if I just put my normal concealer that's obviously like darker than white, it's not gonna appear. So yeah. So now that I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna put some tape on the sides because I just feel like sometimes my shadow just looks crazy at the end. So just to have a clean line, I'm just going to put some tape. Where is the tape? Where is the scissor? Let me do that off camera. Now that I'm done with that admin, I look crazy, but it's all worth it. So I'm going to take the darkest yellow in here, and I'm just gonna pack it on my lids. So the reason why I didn't do my base, or I hardly do my base, especially when I'm doing eyeshadow looks first, I don't really care for fallout, but I just don't like the cleaning up process of fallout on top of foundation. This is not the best palette in the world for this. I feel like I need to invest in a Morphe palette, because this is meant to be like a dupe of a Morphe palette if I'm not mistaken. So she is a little bit patchy, but she is doing the work. So I'm just gonna blend it out with the lighter yellow in the palette, but I'm gonna go in again just to reinforce this because it's gonna fade. Do you all see? She's already fading, she's already absent. So I'm gonna keep on going in until I'm happy with how it looks, basically. But apparently yellows are problematic. It doesn't really matter like which palette you're using. Oh, something is in my eye. Sorted. So as I was saying, apparently yellows are very problematic. So when you're working with the yellow, you need to be ready to be reinforcing and blending, So yeah, that's what's up. She's showing though, like she's not like dead and like just not there. She's showing up, she's there. So I think this is the best I can do. And then I'm gonna go with like the white, very like iridescent glitter on this palette. I don't know what to call this glitter, but like it's not really white. It's white actually, but it reflects I think to whatever color. No, it actually reflects like green. You guys will see it. She is cute though. Sorry guys that I'm using this finger. So hard being a bad bitch. Can you see? I'm trying to, yeah, I think you guys can see, and I think yeah, I think this is the best I can do. This glitter is really nice guys. Like look on my finger, it's so pretty. It is really pretty. Like please focus, baby girl. It's really pretty. Can you see it? It's super pretty. Back to my face. So I'm just going to just clean up. This is really fun, guys. I feel like summer is like the time to play with makeup. Oh, yeah, this is so much better compared to the things I do on a daily basis. So yeah, this is really pretty. I'm just gonna dust off this fallout. then go onto my base. I'm probably just gonna play some music because you guys know how I do my base. What did I do? Okay, I put on my earrings. So in the picture, Lizzo has a pink blush, and I think I want to do that. So I'm gonna put the only pink blush that I have is from MAC. It's in the shade Gleeful. I don't even think they still make this, but I had this like from ages ago. But I'm just gonna, you know, just a little bit, not too much. Can you guys see the pink? I'm scared to put too much, guys, because I feel like my last video I put a lot and it was just looking funny. So I'm just gonna go in again. Yeah, I think. Oh, I hope you guys can see, but I'm gonna go again. Okay, let me not do too much. Oh my word! Oh Jesus! But yeah, she has some pink blush. I'm gonna put some on my nose because I like how pink blush looks on my nose. And then with lips, she has pink lips, but when I tried this, the pink lips was just not cutting it for me. So I am going to put on a nude peach-ish, like brown, let's just say nude, on my lips, and I'm gonna put gloss over it. So I'm gonna wipe my lips with a wipe. This is just a normal brown eyeliner from a Chinese store. Cause she wore the same yellow vibe when she was performing at the BTs. So this is the BT inspired look. But she changed her lip to nude, so you know. And I'm gonna take my Avon in the shade Neutral, matte lipstick in the shade Neutral. This is like my, ooh, she is looking cute. This is like my go-to lip combo. And then I'm going to put on some lip gloss on top of it. I really like this lip combo, guys. Like, it's my thing. So guys, I don't know if I look cute or look somewhere. I feel like it's not as bad as I thought. I think I can go out looking like this. I literally can go out looking like this. Can I, guys? It's not like the look I'd go for, but I feel like I can wear this somewhere again. I look cute, I feel pretty. And guys, I know people are always asking me about my hair. This is the same hair I reviewed from Ali Pearl. If you guys want more hair reviews, please let me know, because I've been receiving some hair, because now I'm like a content creator or whatever. I'm joking, guys. But guys, I wanted to thank everyone for their support, guys. I have been receiving so many positive DMs about my channel and people suggesting certain things. I am not ignoring you guys. I am just trying my best. But thank you for the support. Thank you for there's been so much growth. I think we're on the way to 5K, if we're not 5K already. I am going to be announcing a giveaway for my 5K subscribers. I will let you know what goes on. I'm either gonna announce it on my Instagram or I'll announce it in my next video. But guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so your girl can reach 10K and reach 20K and reach 30K. So if you like this look, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment again and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you.